Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add Visa gift cards to Cash App. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along and just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Cash App application into your device. And after that, just tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. And from there, guys, just simply tap on add cash. And from there, just simply enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Visa gift card. And from there, you will have a preset option, or you can just simply customize the amount by tapping the three dots. And from there, guys, once you have provided the amount, you just have to simply enter the card details. And now you'll need to enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the zip code. And from there, guys, once it's done, just simply tap on link card to connect your Visa gift card to Cash App and transfer the amount. And that's simply about it. Your Visa gift card is now linked to Cash App, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!